Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic farmhouse home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic farmhouse home decor is a warm, elegant decorating style that blends the rustic charm of traditional farmhouse living with the soft beauty and refinement of vintage design. It feels cozy and lived in, yet graceful and thoughtfully styled. The overall mood: fantastic farmhouse decor feels warm and welcoming, romantic yet simple, rustic but refined, nostalgic and soulful. It is perfect for those who love old world charm, cozy country living, and gentle elegance without anything feeling too formal or modern. The soul of fantastic farmhouse decor. This style is not about perfection or trends. It is about comfort, memory, and quiet beauty. Every piece feels gently etched, softly owned, and lovingly kept. It tells a story of solo living, simpler times, and meaningful craftsmanship. Materials and textures layered warmth. Fantastic farmhouse spaces rely on contrast through texture. Use reclaimed or whitewashed wood, distress paint finishes. Use linen, muslin, cotton, crochet, or lace. Use earth iron, aged brass, ceramic, stone. These materials create depth without heaviness. Furniture style and placement. Curved or soft-edged furniture offers sharp modern lines. Use farmhouse tables with visible wood grain. Open shelving instead of closed cabinets. Furniture looks collected, not showroom perfect. Imperfections are celebrated, chip, cracks, and patina. Color philosophy. Instead of bold colors, this style embraces whispered tones. Use warm white, anti-carefree, soft grays, hilly tube, dusty blue, finishes, gentle blush, or muted lavender. Colors should feel sun-faded, never bright. Decorative details. Chic layering. Vintage box tied with twine. Use glass jars, enamel pots, old bottles. Use floral or tall fabrics. Wooden trays with candles and greenery. Decor is arranged in small, thoughtful groupings. Floral and natural elements. Nature play a quiet role. Use dried hydrangeas, lavender, and wheat. Fresh greenery in ceramic pictures. Seasonal flowers never overdone. Nothing looks artificial or forced. Lighting mode. Lighting is soft and warm. Use candle-style candlelights, fabric or plated lampshades. Warm bulbs instead of bright white light. Light should glow, not glare. Room by room feeling. First, living room. Cozy, layered, and welcoming. Kitchen. Functional, charming, and nostalgic. Bedroom. Romantic, calm, and restful. Dining area. Intimate, family-centered. Each room feels connected yet personal. Lifestyle it represents. Fantastic farmhouse decor reflects solo mornings and quiet evening. Handmade, home-cooked living. Emotional connection to home, beauty in simplicity. It is less about decorating and more about how our home feels. Who this style is perfect for? Lovers of vintage and antique aesthetics. Those who prefer warmth over modern minimalism. Creators of cozy, soulful homes. The emotional language of fantastic farmhouse. This style speaks in soft tones and quiet memories. It feels like a home, for a time solace town, where sunlight rests gently on own wood, and every object has been chosen with care, not speed. It is nostalgic but not outdated, elegant but never formal, rustic yet tender. Egging techniques and finishes, authentic fantastic farmhouse homes often use chalk painted furniture with gentle distressing, whitewashed or limewashed wood, natural patina instead of glossy finishes, hand-shaved surfaces that feel soft to the touch. The goal is soft edge, not heavy damage. Textiles, the soft heart of the style. Textiles create the chic feeling, with ruffled curtains in linen or voile, with patchwork or floral quilts, crocheted pillow covers, sleep covers in off-white or oatmeal tones. Fabrics should trap naturally and ease gracefully. Decorative storytelling, every accessory plays a role. Mirrors with own frames reflect light and history. Use old letters, framed botanical prints, or handwritten labels. Use layered trays with candles, books, and ceramic pieces. Nothing is loud, everything whispers. Walls and architectural details. Shiplap, bedboard, or lightly textured plaster with soft matte paint finishes. Open beams or fox beams for warmth. Minimal wall decor. Space is part of the beauty. Walls frames the decor, not overpower it. Time on elegance. What makes it chic? The chic element comes from balance and restraint. Symmetry softened with imperfection. Gentle repetition of color and texture. Thoughtful spacing, never cluttered. It is rustic elegance with grace. Seasonal styling. Fantastic farmhouse homes reflect change with seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and light linens. For summer, use airy curtains and pilly oats. For autumn, warm throws and dried botanicals. For winter, candles, layered quilts, cozy textures. Decor evolves quietly throughout the year. How it differs from similar styles. Rustic farmhouse for heavier, rougher, and darker. Country cottage more playful and colorful. Fantastic farmhouse softer, calmer, more refined. It sits beautifully in the middle. A home that feels loved above all. This style creates comfort over chaos, beauty without effort, elegance without pride. A home that feels held together by warmth and memory, not trends. The philosophy behind Fantastic Farmhouse. This decor style is rooted in idea that a home should feel gently edged, deeply personal, and emotionally comforting. It values objects with history, beauty that feels earned, not bought, quiet elegance over bold design statements. It reflects a lifestyle of solo living, mindfulness, and emotional warmth. Visual rhythm and balance. Fantastic farmhouse spaces follow a soft visual rhythm. Repetition of similar tones like ivory, gray, soft wood. Balanced asymmetry, nothing too perfect. Breathing space between objects. This creates harmony without stiffness. Oud tones and finishes. Oud is the backbone of the style. Spelled oud, pine, reclaimed burnt oud. Softly distressed or naturally owned, never glossy or heavily stained. Even dark oud appears softened by age or whitewashing. Stores as decor. Functional items are displayed beautifully. Use open shelves with ceramic bowls, basket for linen and kitchen items, windows crates for books or drawers. Stores feel intentional, not hidden. Scent and sensory experience. True vintage farmhouse design engage all senses. Natural scents. Use lavender, vanilla, linen, beeswax. Soft sounds. Use linen curtains moving, wood floors cracking, gentle light filtering through sheer fabrics. The home feels alive and calming. Negative space. And often missed secret. One of the most important rules. Not every surface should be filled. Empty space allows Chic to breathe, light to flow, calm to exit. This is what keeps this style chic, not cluttered. Handmade and imperfect elements. Handcrafted items are essential. Is crochet, embroidery, and patchwork. Hand-sewn pottery. Slight flaws equal authenticity. Perfect factory finishes break the mold. Feminine softness without excess. Romance is subtle, gentle florals never bold. Soft curves in a state of sharp lines. Lace used sparingly, it is graceful, not frilly. The emotional result. When done well, a fantastic farmhouse home feels calm when you enter, safe when you rest, inspiring without pressure. It feels lived in, loved, and lasting. Why this style never goes out of fashion? Because it is built on natural materials, human craftsmanship, emotional connection. Trends fade, but homes with soul remains timeless. The designer mindset, how professionals think. Vintage farmhouse is not decorated all at once. It is layered slowly. Designers imagine the home as if it's as evolved over decades. They ask, does this place feel collected, not purchased together? Does it look softly aged, not artificially distressed? Does it add calm, not noise? Tone on tone styling, no state of contrast. This style is a ceremony, white layered with ivories and creams. Use wood layered with peely and warm undertones. Fabrics layered in similar softness. This creates depth without visual chaos. Furniture scale and shape. Furniture is slightly oversized for comfort. Rounded edges feel more welcoming. Legs and details are simple, never ornate. Even antique pieces feel relaxed, not formal. Fabric aging and movement. Fabric should look better with time. Use linen that wrinkles naturally, cotton that softens with washing, crochet and lace that tell a handmade story. Movement contains gently, swaying, and lively. Light as a design element. Light is layered. Use natural daylight through sheer curtains, table lamps for evening glow, candles for intimacy. No harsh over it lasting 2 minutes. Mirrors and reflection. Mirrors are used thoughtfully to bounce natural light, to visually enlarge small spaces, to add quiet elegance through aged frames. They are never flashy or modern. Greenery philosophy. Plants are understated. Use olive branches, eucalyptus, and herbs. Also use dried flowers for softness. Fewer plants better chosen. Nature supports the space. It doesn't overwhelm it. Effigy life on display. A key characteristics: cookbooks left open, drawers folded casually, teacups ready to be used. Nothing feels staged. Emotional consistency. Every room follows the same emotional tone. For calm, warm, gentle. Even when furniture differs, the feeling stays consistent. The invisible luxury. The luxury of the style is not money, it is time, care, intention. That is why fantastic farmhouse homes feel rich in soul, not objects. Fantastic farmhouse decor is rustic comfort softened by elegance, shaped by time and guided by emotion. The quiet rules people really mention. Nothing should look brand new. Even new items should feel soft, muted, or time-tested. Matte finishes over shine. Lost fabrics over crisp ones. Neutral tones over bright colors. If it looks too new, it breaks the illusion. The beauty of restraint. This style avoids excess. Fewer accessories chosen carefully. Tension in a state of variety. Calm surfaces with emotional emptiness. Less decor equal more elegance. Patina is more important than age. A piece does not need to be old. It needs to look gently lived with. On-aged, soft-feeling, natural texture. Patina tells a story. Advanced layering formula, designer secret. A successful fantastic farmhouse room usually includes base color, use light walls plus natural wood. Second, comfort layer. Use textiles like linen, cotton, or crochet. History layers. Use vintage or antique items. Natural layers. Greenery or thread florals. Soul layers. Personal or handmade objects. Skip one, and the room feels incomplete. Fantastic farmhouse decor is the art of creating beauty that feels lived in, loved, and lasting. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.